Next up, Secret Compassion for Lab Rat. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. This quest requires us to place supplies in 3 different locations, and when you accept this task, you'll be given in the mail these supplies here. We'll need to collect them, check our inventory, and add them to our character in order to complete this quest. There are 3 of these big things, and you'll need to take them all to where we're going. That being said, if you happen to lose one of these, you can always buy another one. It's not too bad. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so what are these 3 locations that we need to visit? Well, I'm part of Mithras, so things will be slightly rotated for you based on what town you're in, but essentially following the locations that were given to us. 174, 119 is this house here. 170, 116 is in this area. It should be, I think, this house here. And 172, 117 is right about over here near this warehouse. I think it's this house here, but we'll get there in just a moment. For now, though, I think we'll head probably to LZ2, as that should be the closest to where we want to go. Starting off in 174, 119 here. Make sure you have the supplies with you, and let's go. Alright, so approaching the town, we'll head across to this first building first, and as it's nighttime, I will be using a night vision. Maybe? We'll see. Alright, so approaching this first little house over here, located right here for me. We'll need to clear out the guard, sometimes 2 that spawn here, and right outside the front, you'll see this box right over here. So this box, we'll interact with it to hide the supplies, and there we go. We're done with the first part of this. Then it was 170, 116 down here, and 172, 117. So let's go to this one next, right near the center of the T here. This one was down to the right. All right, so approaching this second house over here, again, we'll need to do pretty much exactly the same thing in roughly the same location. So again, we'll clear out any guards if there are any here, and we should be able to place it at the same box as before, so right here. Now that we're done with that, we've got one more location to go. This one's located in 171, 16, so somewhere here, heading into the town here, in exactly this location here, we've found this small box by this little building here. Let's see this little building here. Right next to it, we have these buildings right here. So right over here, we have this small box, and we can report raised building, and we've been given a bonus location, but at least we didn't lose our supplies. We've still got the one on us. So we'll need to head towards now 168, 121, and this is located for me right over here. So up to the top right of the T in this location here. This building is where we need to head. The easiest place to get there is your landing zone number 3, or of course just traveling there if you're already here. So I'm heading towards this last building, and of course there's more AI here that we need to take care of. So 2 bots plus the one that's hiding up there. I think that's probably it, maybe just 3. We've got this house on stilts over here, and this is the one that we'll need to come into. So heading up here, placing the supplies. There we go. We're done with this mission. All we need to do now is get back in one piece. It sounds like there might also be another bot scrounging around here. Yep, there we go. Let's head back. Now that we've done all of these, we'll complete the task, and there we go. That has been Secret Compassion for Lab Rat. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.